In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rule in QuickBooks Online. If you want to save time and make your bookkeeping more consistent, creating rules in QuickBooks Online is a great feature to learn. Rules help automate how certain transactions are categorized, which can reduce repetitive manual work and make your records more organized. To begin, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click on Accounting. This is where you'll find several tools related to managing your financial records, including the option we need for this process. Once you're in the accounting section, go to Rules. This area is specifically designed to help you automate transaction handling based on conditions you set. If you regularly work with the same types of expenses or income, this is where you can create instructions for QuickBooks to follow automatically in the future. After that, click New Rule in the top right corner of the screen. This opens the setup window where you can create your new rule from scratch. At this stage, you're essentially telling QuickBooks what kinds of transactions to look for and what to do when it finds them. Now enter the details of the rule. Take your time here because this is the most important part of the setup. You'll define the rule based on the type of transaction you want QuickBooks to recognize, and then choose how you want those transactions to be categorized or handled. The more accurate your details are, the more useful the rule will be. It's a good idea to review everything before finishing, just to make sure the rule matches the transactions you intend it to apply to. Once the details are in place, your rule is ready to go. From that point on, QuickBooks Online can use that rule to help streamline your transaction management and reduce the amount of manual categorization you need to do. And that's all there is to it. As you create more rules over time, you can make your bookkeeping workflow much faster and more efficient. Just remember to keep your rules clear and specific so they work exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.